got that AC pump on raise up the wonder. Give it a little rev for you. Yeah, I'll probably do some. Yeah, I'll run you again. Come on. No night. Hey, look out, for my people that's watching on TikTok, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Come on over here to my YouTube channel. Come on over here to my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing. Yeah, come on over here. Look Out Racing. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all the temp. Look at the temp. Low temp.
Only one of your cutouts open.
Yeah, I know. I gotta go back up there. I gotta go back up there.
Hey, let me drive it.
No, I'm finna run it.
Ride in the passenger seat.
You can ride in the passenger seat. Bet. I'm finna race.
Yeah, you gonna gamble with everybody in your car?
Yeah, we're gonna go head up. I'm gonna have 2 people in the car, maybe 4.
God damn.
Yeah. Nah, I know your shit fast. I know your shit. Yeah, I'm gonna race him. He got turbo and nitrous on his Infinity, y'all. Yeah, turbo nitrous with a tune. He got that intake, cold air intake. Hey,
Hey man, you don't have to do my own one like that. Put by 8 cars, man. Don't do my own. Hey, that was 7. You put 7 cars on his ass. Say, man, that was fucked up to do that. Say, man, how many cars? Hey,
Tyrone,
Yeah, that's somebody. Jackie say she like how the car sound. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'm waiting on them to move, Ronnie. Okay. Where y'all betting at on this one? Let me see, since TikTok been getting it wrong. Left lane or right lane? Yeah, Jackie, I went and put electric cutouts on there. One wasn't working, so I'm finna get that fixed. Jamarcus. Right lane for the win. We got Jamarcus just came from TikTok. Appreciate that, Jamarcus. You put that shit out? Yeah. Jamarcus. You on my YouTube channel?
What's that?
Lookout Racing.
Lookout Racing?
Yeah, man. I got a whole bunch of people on here live right now.
Good shit, man. Good shit. Make me out follow.
Yeah. We got Aaron Favela. Just came from TikTok. Appreciate that, Aaron. Let it eat. Chad Hawkins. My TikTok is Lookout Racing. We got 2,200 people on there right now. All 2,200 of y'all.
How many?
Check out Lookout Racing.
How many people on there?
2,200.
Jeez.
Jeez.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah. Some of them talking about they know you too.
They do?
Yeah.
They know Funky Town?
Yeah, they know Funky Town.
But you want to be his roommate?
Would I want to be Funky Town?
Yeah, his roommate.
Hey, look out. You got some extra peanut butter. I just ran out. Then he come back the next day. Hey, look out. You got some tissue. Yeah.
Would you want him to be the roommate?
This bullshit ass dish I done bought from the dollar store ain't shit, man.
They could make a year's worth of movie out of him.
This some bullshit ass toilet paper. Fuck Dollar General.